Here's how to add Hotjar feedback button to your site. You'll want to start in your Hotjar dashboard by clicking on Surveys in the left sidebar. There's a Create Survey button in the top left that gets things rolling. The Quick Start section gives you a few different options, but you want Collect Feedback. This one creates that little feedback tab that sticks to the side of your pages. Once you click that, it opens up the survey creation screen. It's already set up as a feedback button type. By default, it's configured to show on all devices and all pages. Before you get ahead of yourself, scroll down and check the survey status section. You need to make sure active is selected, not inactive. Sounds obvious, but it's easy to miss, and then you're wondering why nothing's showing up on your site. Click Create Survey at the bottom. This takes you to an overview page that shows Almost Ready and reminds you about the tracking code. Hit Install Tracking Code to see your unique snippet. Copy this code and paste it into your site's head section. For WordPress users, head to your dashboard, then Appearance, then Theme Editor. Find header.php in the file list. You're looking for the closing head tag. It looks like this, /head with brackets around it. Paste the Hotjar code right before that closing tag. Save your changes and the button should start appearing on your site. Test it out by visiting your website and looking for that colored tab on the side. Click it to make sure the feedback form actually opens. Now visitors can rate their experience and leave comments. All feedback shows up in your Hotjar dashboard under Surveys.